Hello everyone, my name is Wesley. Today I am going to talking about life cycle assessment of desalination technology integrated with renewable energies. And now I'm going to introduce to you guys why we need the seawater desalination. Because the population grows very fast. Second, is a huge growth of the city. And third, is industrial waste and sewage. This reason caused the water shortage, so we need the seawater desalination to get the clean waters for us to use. What is seawater desalination? Seawater desalination is a non-conventional way to get the clean waters for us to drink. It can remove the salt from the seawater, but it will use a lot of energy, especially the fossil fuel. This picture explains the osmosis principle and the reverse osmosis principle. The pressure will push the fresh water through the semi-permeable membrane to the salt water. This is osmosis principle, and the desalination uses the reverse osmosis principle. The pressure will push the salt water through the semi-permeable membrane into the fresh waters for us to use. And now let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of the seawater desalination. Advantage is that it will provide the drinking waters for us to drink, and the quality of the water will be very good. And disadvantage is that the construction and operation costs are very high, and it will affect the environment, so that is very terrible. And let's talk about the life cycle assessment. We call that LCA. It will evaluate of the potential impact of input and output on the environment. They use these two systems to evaluate the whole situation. Look at this picture. It began from the raw material, and then we manufacturing it, and then we sell it and deliver it, and we will use it and then throw it like a garbage, and we will evaluate and make sure it's good or bad. And now let's talk about the renewable energies. Why we want to use renewable energies? Because we want to replace the fossil fuel. So we will use this kind of energy. First is solar energy. Second is wind energy. Third is hydro energy. Solar energy is a energy that converts from sunlight into electricity, and through this solar energy we can use it directly or not. We will receive each year from the sun is around 35,000 times the total number energy used by the humankind. When the weather is bad, we can use the flat plate collector combined with the natural gas to increase the heat to make the whole process and machine work. And let's talk about wind energy. This technology uses air movement to get the electricity. The kinetic energy of the wind is converted into useful mechanical energy and then into the electricity. Like this, if the wind blow the windmill, then the fins of the windmill will rotate, and they will become the mechanical energy and turn into the electricity. And we stir it, and we can use the electricity. The wind power plants are often in remote area. And let's talk about hydro energy. Hydro energy is a power generation method that converts the high difference of water into electricity energy and from the run of the river. You can look at this picture. It's a dam, and the water at the high place and go to a low place, and it can have the electricity, so we can use it. And let's talking about the conclusion. Through this LCA system, we can get how long will a material work. Also, we can know the emission of carbon dioxide is reduced. I think all kind of factory need this system to evaluate their material or machine, even their company. They can know how much money they might get or cost. It is totally worth to use LCA and make sure this whole process is environment friendly. Thank you very much.